my daily, I've got Money P, the manager, he comes to me 4 times during training with my Gatorade. Money P, and I've told him many times, and I won't repeat the words I use, but this is about as good as it gets. Well, I think what happens when you sweat, you don't just sweat out water. You know, you sweat out decent minerals in your body, potassium and sodium and things like that, and you have to replenish those. And you know, obviously water's a good drink for keeping hydrated, but our Gatorade is around keeping, replenishing the stocks of sodiums and potassiums you lose, and we use it here at training. Every water break there's a Gatorade with the water, and so we basically demand the players take it during training to replenish their stocks, and then come the end of the week our fridge is full of Gatorade getting ready for the games. So it's a drink that you need to take to replenish lost minerals from your body, potassium, as I said, sodiums, etc. Big thing for us and the boys here are training. We train in heat here in Fiji, and there's a lot of sweating going on, not just in the players. So we're all into our Gatorade, so it's really important for us. Our boys, they've already had about 8 or 9 glasses during training, and they'll have a couple more before we finish. So.